Hi Eddie, this is Kelly Carlisle, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. So today we're going to go through website content, the Google Business Profile, or the maps, and the importance of keywords and backlinks. And finally, how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is one of the most valuable tools that you can have, a website. So I see you don't have a website. I recommend even a simple website to start. The opportunity that you're missing out on by not having one is pretty big. When someone needs a service, they go to their phone, they go to their tablet or computer to search for what it is that they're looking for. Even then they rarely go past that first page in those results before deciding on somewhere to click. So if we need new gutters, we're going to put the keyword gutter installation Miami in the search. And I've already done that here. A keyword is just that search term that's used by a potential client searching for your service. So we see here that Rain Gutter Solutions shows up in toward the top of the first page. So let's take a quick peek at their website and see how it's helping them. So if I'm in the shoes of the potential customer, this site is visually appealing, it loads quickly, it has all of the main points that I'm looking for, and it's going to help me decide if I want to give them a call or not. It shows the services that they provide here, which is important, and it also has quite a bit of content. So when I talk about content, I mean all of the keywords that are on this first page, that's on the page and also behind the pictures. So we need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in the keywords that are needed to bring your site to the top of the search results. So once again, if I go back here to Google, I have typed in gutter installation Miami. And at the top of the page, we always see ads that are related to the search. And then down here below, we have what we call the map pack. So we see that it's the first thing that people see when they get to that results page. So you'll want to get yourself here to the top 3. And you can get here by filling out your Google Business Profile completely and then getting yourself into as many relevant directories as you can. Google's going to give you more score authority if you have referring sites that are relevant to your business. So these are going to help you rank higher in the maps here. You'll want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition and then add more to completely dominate in this area. So Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work to look at the site metrics, and it's available to everyone with a monthly subscription. It's very useful in doing our SEO analysis. So let's take a look at your competition site for reference. So we see here on their website, they have quite a few domains and backlinks that are generating quite a bit of traffic here. So when I talk about backlinks, they're just that. It's a website that's sending a link back to your site. Here, it's really about the quality of the backlink and less about the quantity. So not all links are created equal. So a link that you obtain is way more effective if you have a relevant site that's linking that back to you. So for example, having a remodeling or a roofing company linking your site on their page would be more powerful than the local restaurant doing the same thing. So in this tool, we can also look at their keywords. So here we'll be able to pick apart the keywords that are working well for the competition, and we can figure out what's more relevant to you, and then you can go after those keywords in your own website. So once you've got your website built and you've started to outgrow your competition, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important to your business. So let's assume that you're now generating that same traffic as your competition for this keyword search. You'll recall that we put in the search rain gutter installation Miami. So we're looking here at rain gutters Miami at this keyword. We see here that 450 people every month are searching for this keyword. That's quite a bit of volume. And say you're now getting that traffic and 10% of those people decide to call. We call this your conversion rate. And then say that you close 50% of those jobs, which is pretty typical in this industry. We're looking at possibly closing right around 7 jobs per month, just from their online presence alone. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that that could bring in some pretty decent revenue. So in summary, this is what I do for a living, and I absolutely love it. And one of the things I like to do is create these videos for small businesses that help you as a business owner to start generating your own leads online using these tips. I would really love it if you would just give me a little bit of feedback. Even just one line of feedback is really helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to small businesses that I work with. I would love to also see your company at number 1. So if you want to give me a call or text at 321-626-0586 to discuss what we were looking at just in this video, or to give me that feedback over the phone, that would be great. Or you can just simply reply to this email. I would love to help you in any way that I can. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.